All right, we're at the Hilton in Omaha. We've got Kone elevators here, KSS 220. Hopefully they're not card locked. Oh! Damn it. All right, I'll restart the video when someone comes up. All right.
Maybe we'll wait for the next one.
Third floor. Going up.
8.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Going back.
Kid Rock? I thought that guy is dead. Well, if not dead, pretty close to it.
Going back.
All right. Yeah, this is quite a, I mean, this is huge. Like, you only have 5 cars for 8, or you have 5 cars for only 8 floors, but the hotel takes up a ton of surface area, so that's why you have so many elevators. This thing takes up like this place takes up like a whole city block.
First floor.
Maybe we'll take another ride. Someone gets on, we'll go up one more.
Going up.
Going up? Well, if the lady says we're going up, let's see what happens. Ow. Thanks, Kone. Played a fast one on me. Oh, we can go to 2.
Second floor. First floor.
Kone, it's a Koner boner.
Going up.
Anyway. That will be it. This is quite a fancy lobby. Oh, there they go. They saved it. Anyway, that'll be it.